Barbershops, restaurants, landmarks, buildings all over the place, everything in between. There's been damage from weekend protests in Columbus.
Yeah, repairs and the loss of business is going to be expensive. NBC4 reporter Ted Hart is live at police headquarters with a breakdown on how the expenses are piling up for some of these owners. Ted.
Yeah, and Darlene, take a look. Police are once again closing off some of the inbound vehicle traffic access to the central part of downtown as another crowd of protesters has gathered at the State House today. The cost of all the overtime for a heavy police presence is really just one of many costs being incurred. Businesses already on life support because of the pandemic now face more losses and an uncertain future. A large new development on Topiary Park went up in flames Sunday morning. The mayor said they suspect that fire was set by a nefarious criminal element operating within the protesters.
That was a $28 million development. So these are real impacts that are going to create additional job losses and negative economic impact.
The city was already facing a drop in income tax revenue due to pandemic-related job losses. Much of the commerce that would have taken place downtown over the past week has not materialized. Instead, businesses, office buildings, and even the State House have been vandalized. And for 6 days now, long hours and overtime for city employees.
Obviously, there's going to be significant costs for law enforcement, for public service, for public health, dealing with this crisis, but also in response to COVID-19.
The mayor said $157 million received as part of the federal pandemic relief bill will help the city weather this economic storm. And he said by confronting racism and discrimination head on, Columbus will emerge stronger.
If we continue to focus on racism and discrimination and take concrete action steps moving forward, that we will be able to move out of this crisis and fully focus on fighting the global pandemic that still threatens so many of our neighbors.
And at today's press briefing with Police Chief Thomas Quinlan, the mayor said that they both accept the criticism that they have received. They acknowledge that mistakes have been made. They are open to change, and they both believe in reform. Local for you and live at police headquarters tonight, Ted Hart, NBC4.
All right.